ka Association of Power Engineers AOPE MEECL Meghalaya ha kharwai trek no pra acharpsan kala penlong ek jingelang penthamai nongkit kam nagabentak samoi trekam jungsnam arjar opsan arjar phufra ha ususo tham auditorium shillong ha gani ke jingelang lawan mani shimbanta ru ba met ba lingdo menteri badi khmi iknar boarding kumu kongsan harangkat ke jingelang AT Mondal chairman ke Meghalaya State Planning Board kumu sombot kongsan Usanjay Goyal chairman ke managing director MEECL ki engineer nalor ki wipan hagani ka singi lapun ko buram ki engineer ki bala shong thaj na ka kam nalor ki chimpun ko buram ki khon ki engineer ki bala wan shakmat akapule puthi bada ki jingi le kai sports haba ajin kren na ki jingelang uba met ba ulong ba ga jok ka ba technology kala ki ba ha jing dan jok artificial intelligence ba smart technology kalong ka barang kam ba association kan penlong ka jingelang emer jingmot khnam ba kan yarap iki hakikam ba ki le.
And I never thought or I never realized that I will be one day in the same department that Mandal was. And now I don't know whether I'm enjoying or not. But the fact remains that whatever departments, whatever roles that we have been assigned to, we have to take it as part of our journey. And I would love to share with you that I understand that MECL is the corporation that has gone through a very rough weathers in all the years. But I have to say thank you to Madan and your CMD. You're fortunate to have had these two great people as the mentor and the guide of your corporation. Today we assemble here as the Association of Power Engineers. I was informed that this Associations of Junior Engineers was established way back in the year 1964, 65, something like that, if I'm not wrong. And I understand that the association represents the manpower of diploma engineers of engineering disciplines of the board for upliftment of the cadre of service. It is also to develop unity, integrity, and brotherhood among each and every one of them. I'm also pleased to note that you're also there for the settlement of various grievances developed during the service life, as well as to act for all-round development of the department to perspective planning, generation, transmission, distribution, and rural electrification for socio-economic progress of the state and for the interest of the consumers of our dear state. I was told that after the Meghalaya attained the statehood, the association was renamed as a Junior Engineer Association. At that point of time, the ASEB and the MSEB then. Till the bifurcation of 2019, which was the birth of the Association of Power Engineers of the MECL. And the AOPE, Meghalaya present the strength of all of you who are 375 numbers, which consists of the diploma engineers from electrical, from mechanical, from civil, from electronics, and computer science wing as well. I understand that you have in the MECL about 7 unions and associations. that you are under the umbrella of the, what is that, coordination committee
Unions and associations.
of
Unions and associations.
unions and association of MECL when we met at that point of time. You are under the umbrella of that coordination committee, which I feel it is a very, very positive motive of these associations to ensure the welfare of not only the people of within the MECL, but also, as I have already mentioned here, the welfare of the people and the consumer of the state of Meghalaya. Friends, not to take much time because I have to attend another wedding now after this, so I should not land up in another, dining table with bones only. I just want to quick that in this era of technological advancement, there are a lot of challenges as the industry is moving at a high pace. With advancement like artificial intelligence and smart technologies, necessitating a shift from manual system to modern solutions like smart prepaid metering and automated operations. So for this, I urge each and every one of you who are here as an association to facilitate the exchange of views, hold frequent seminars, workshops, and publish technical papers to keep members updated on the latest technological developments. Friends, I would like to admit here that in this last 2.5 months from 16th of September, after I took over, I thought that power department was that simple. But when I started interacting with your CMD and other officials of the corporation, I found that the department is a very complex one, and at the same time, it is very interesting for me to know and learn. But as I've said, today perhaps should not be the day to suggest that what you have to do, because I am very much in the process to learn from each and every one of you before I come out with any kind of suggestions or advice for the welfare of each and every one of us. Well, you have already pointed out those points before me and before all of us. I have taken note of it and will definitely work on it. I am a person who will always believe, talk less, work more. And with that, we can really take the MECL to the next level. Our engineers are the unsung heroes who design, operate, and maintain the systems that keep homes, industries, and even critical services like hospitals, schools, running, from time to time. Mandal has said that once you are the power minister, you don't expect any kind of applause from everyone, right? But what I can share with you or encourage you, that when you do something in life, never expect any kind of applause from anyone. The first and foremost thing is, anything you do, ensure that you have that self-satisfaction, that you have done the best you could in your assignment. So that's why it is very important for us to realize this very important aspects whenever we try to perform and deliver the assignments entrusted to each and every one of us. Friends, as infrastructure builders, you are responsible for the generation, transmission, and distribution infrastructure that supports the daily life. You're also the problem solvers and innovators. Engineers are crucial in developing new ideas and technologies, driving innovation in the power sector, including the move towards cleaner energy sources.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya